Hi there, this is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. I just wanted to send you some tips and tricks that you can use to outrank your competitors and rank higher on Google. Thank you for taking the time to watch this quick little video. If you don't mind, please send me a little bit of feedback on some of the tips and tricks that you found helpful. So I went ahead and pulled up your website. Great modern looking website. I wanted to let you know that Google likes to see anywhere from 2,000 to 2,500 words of content on their homepage. I also pulled up your site in a site that we call Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a site that we use to look at websites, see how they're ranking versus their competitors, that sort of thing. If you look here, you have quite a bit of backlinks, referring domains, and organic keywords. If we look at organic keywords, you are ranking for a lot of national keywords. It doesn't look like there's too many that are pulling up in your area in particular. So let's look at one of your competitors, another great modern looking website. One thing I wanted to point out is that Google does consider pictures content as well, as long as they are labeled and applied correctly. And if we pull them up, they've got 313 backlinks, 58 referring domains, 590 keywords. If we go back to yours, you can see that you have quite a bit more backlinks. And you may not be ranking for those because Google likes to see quality versus quantity. And let's go ahead and pull up some of their keywords. Looks like for Trane HVAC warranty, 200 searches a month. Looking for some that might be a little, looks like a lot are looking at them in particular. Arcadia, HVAC, that sort of thing. AC repair, there's only 20 searches in a month for that. So if you service other areas, that's one thing you'll want to include on your website as well. Here's another competitor. They do have some content, some pictures. And if we look at theirs, they have 313 backlinks, 590 organic keywords. They're ranking for Trane HVAC warranty as well. Air conditioning repair, Duluth, Georgia, has 90 searches a month. So you definitely want to include that on yours as well. So one thing, this is important, if we pull up Google, and you can see I just searched HVAC Duluth, Georgia. Up here you will see ads. This is if you want to run ads, great place to run ads. You pop up in the potential customer's front eyes. Now this is where your competitors are outranking you. This is what we call the map pack. Most potential customers are going to call the first 2 to 3 services that they see when they Google them, and that they're going to get quotes from them, and then they return to closing on those. So down here we call this the organic listings. You definitely want to be on the first page of organic listings. Again, that'll help stand out to potential customers that you can then return into clients and increase your revenue. Another way to rank on Google is citations. Now all citations are your business name, phone number, and address. They're extremely easy to obtain. You just have to make sure they are associated with the right links and in the right places so that you do pop up, you do rank, and that more potential customers are calling you. Please send me a quick review on the video of some tips and tricks you found helpful from this video and may be able to use. And if you have any questions, please let me know. It was great talking to you, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.